sweetest one I've seen. Her loves a coffee and me. Her's my granny tea. Her the sweetest one I've seen. Her loves a coffee and me. Her's my granny tea. Life with granny tea.
Sounds like the winds are angry this morning. Seriously cold. 28 degrees. Oh no. Are struggling in the wind, but this is still blooming. Spend the day today cleaning up stuff, and look, there's still tons of branches to clean up. Garbage everywhere. Hopefully those trees will die this year, because they have went so badly underneath my shed that they have buckled the cement underneath it. We had to put some bolts in it. Pickies are going good. Look, I planted that tall one right there. The grass is starting to green in spots. I need a good raking. There's limbs down everywhere. We're in the middle of a good windstorm. I thought that slide was broken, but I guess it folds up and I never knew that. Oh, more baby quickies. Is that a quickie? Certainly looks like it. There's 3 more. Probably mow those down. Looks like there's 3 or 4 more over there. I have to cut them down. I don't want to overload with the quickies. But I noticed all these purple flowers too. That's probably a weed. I'm walking around the yard. Coming up to the other driveway. Here it's nice and green. This is where I stopped picking crap up. I'm just picking up trash, and then James is going around and getting the branches. I'm also trying to get all the pine cones up because I'm going to have to cut the grass probably next week. It'll just warm up a bit. It's going to get to a high of 54 today. Yeah, that's where I stopped. There, still got to get all that garbage. The winds flipped her bicycle over. Hopefully it didn't damage anything on it. I got to get all these pine cones. It's going to be a long day. I just wish it was a bit warmer. Only get that garbage. That blue chair was out on the other side of the fence, but we managed to salvage it before the wind took it down the road. It is windy. Trees are going good and blossom. And there's the benches we're working on. We just ain't got them done yet. The wind is not letting up at all. It's supposed to be windy all day today with warning of severe wind gusts. We just want to get this trash cleaned up. It's just about time for the kids' naps. So I think I'm going to put them down for a nap and try to finish this yard. Have a wonderful day today. High winds in effect, and winter storm warning for the snow. Everything we planted is going to be ruined. That's okay, I will plant again. It's funny though, it's snowing where I'm at, but I go a little further out, they said it's not snowing. I wonder if it's snowing at my sister's house. Probably not. When I go to her house, I see sunshine. I think it's because of the mountains. Bipolar weather. Well, I think it's bipolar. It was sunny, and now then it was windy, and now it's snowy. Of course, it knocked down all the garbage cans after I worked so hard to pick it up. High winds in effect, and more snow. In April. Come on, guys. Mother Nature's playing a joke on us. I don't know if anything's going to bloom this year. I thought it was all coming up the other day, and now it's covered in ice and snow. I thought the storms were over. I was wrong. We got fresh snow. I'm going to do my affirmations in my bedroom today. It's too cold out here. How's the weather where you're at? God bless you always.